Hi guys, Gaga here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Time with Joy. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Yes, I'm pointing the comb at you. Yes, you, because you've not subscribed. Please click the subscribe button right now and be part of this family. Stay tuned. This week I'm filming a video from the salon to teach you, yes, both male and female, how to use Aloemed to wash your hair. Aloemed is the product that I use for my hair. This is the shampoo, in case your hairdresser cannot read. No offense. You see this picture and you know that it's the shampoo. This is the conditioner. This conditioner is washed out after some time, and this is the leave-in conditioner. This one is not washed out, so you leave it in your hair. And here's the pomade. If you've seen some of my previous hair videos, I'm sure you've seen the pomade already.
"2,000 years later."